Welcome to my Huntsville one-day itinerary, where I'll show you what all you can do in a day in Huntsville, Alabama, from top spots to best eateries. And if you're new to my channel, hi, this is Minakshi from Backpacking with My Lens, where I share my travel and food journey, one adventure at a time. I'm on a mission to explore all 50 states of the US, from national parks to quirky towns, iconic eateries to hidden gems. So buckle up and hit that subscribe button to follow my journey across America, one state at a time. This is day 3 of our 4-day adventure exploring the south of US, where we cover 4 states: Nashville in Tennessee, Mammoth Cave in Kentucky, Huntsville in Alabama, and Atlanta, Georgia. And today we are exploring the best things to do in Huntsville. Our day began at the US Space and Rocket Center, and honestly, this alone makes Huntsville worth visiting. Standing beneath towering rockets instantly makes you feel small, and you realize how massive human ambition truly is. Inside, the museum walks you through NASA's Apollo missions, moon landings, and the science that changed history. From moon rocks and space capsules to immersive simulators and planetarium shows, everything here feels larger than life and perfectly sets the tone for Huntsville. Bold, curious, and innovative. After an intense morning of space exploration, downtown Huntsville felt like a gentle pause. Tree-lined streets, cozy cafes, colorful murals, and boutique shops. Right in the middle of downtown lies the Big Spring Park. That instantly made us slow down, watching koi fish glide through crystal clear water, sun bouncing off the red bridge, and reflections dancing across the pond. This place felt peaceful and grounding. It's amazing how Huntsville seamlessly blends cutting-edge science with calming nature, and this park is a perfect example of that balance. For lunch, we stopped at Pane Vino Pizzeria that was right by the lake and enjoyed some delicious lasagna and salad. We ended our trip at Little River Falls, that is about 1.5 hours east of Huntsville. The drive itself was scenic and peaceful, and the moment we stepped onto the overlook, we were completely blown away. Huntsville turned out to be a beautifully balanced travel destination. And if you're planning a southern road trip or looking for underrated cities to explore in the US, Huntsville deserves a spot on your list. I've added a detailed travel guide on my blog. You can find the link in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone planning a trip to Alabama.